Now we are going to discuss the problem of coefficient of variation. This is the first problem. Find which of the following batsmen find which of the following batsman is more consistent in scoring. Would you also accept him as a better run getter? Okay, and why? Okay, again I'm repeating. Find which of the following batsman is more consistent in scoring. Would you also accept him as a better run getter? Why? Okay, now so this is a batsman A and batsman B score level 5, 7, 16, 27, 39, 53, 56, 61, 80, 101, 105. Batsman B scoring level 0, 4, 16, 21, 41, 43, 57, 78, 83, 90 and 95. Okay, now we are going to use, so here nothing they have mentioned to find the coefficient of variations, or they have not given directly the question. So here if you find this words consistent, more consistent in scoring, okay, better run getter, okay, so these are all the hint for coefficient of variation problem. So they will not be given directly. We have to identify whether the given problem is coefficient of variations or not by using these words. Okay, now we'll go for the solution. Coefficient computation of coefficient of variation. Okay, so we can do it in one table itself. First we can do batsman A or batsman B, or you can do it in one table itself. Okay, so now X they have given. So here batsman A and batsman B we are going to assume as batsman A is X, batsman B is Y. Okay, so now X is batsman A. So I'll write it here, batsman A is X. Okay, now X score level 5, 7, 16, 27, 39, 53, 56, 61, 80, 101, 105. This is batsman X. Okay, now so to do this, first to find out the coefficient, this is the score level of X. Okay, now coefficient of variation formula is the standard deviation divided by x bar multiply 100. Okay, so now the standard deviation formula root of sigma x square divided by n. In order to get the small x, we should find out x bar. Okay, so the next one is we have to find out what is the x bar. So x bar means, what is the formula? Sigma x divided by n. Sigma x divided by n. So sigma x means this is a sigma x. Sigma x equal, you have to total all the score level of batsman A, 5 plus 7 plus 16 plus 27 plus 39 plus 53 plus 56 plus 61 plus 80 plus 101 plus 105. Okay, so the total sigma x is 550. So to do this x bar, sigma x 550, number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So number of observation is 11 divided by 11. So the x bar is 50 for batsman A, X. Okay, now we can find out what is a x, small x. So next column will be small x equal x minus x bar. Okay, this is a capital X. Now we got it x bar 50. If you deduct this x minus x bar, you will get small x. So 5 minus, so here x bar is 50. Okay, so 5 minus 50 minus 45. Okay, 7 minus 50 minus 43. Then 16 minus 50, 34 minus 34. 27 minus 50 minus 23. 39 minus 50 minus 11. 53 minus 50 plus 3. 56 minus 50 plus 6. 61 minus 50 plus 11. 80 minus 50, how much? It is plus 30. Then 101 minus 50, it's a 51. 105 minus 50, 55. Okay, this is the x value. Now as per the formula we need x square. As per the formula we need x square. So x square, the next column will be x square. What is the thing? We have to square this x value. So 45 square, when you square the minus or plus symbol, you should not consider 2025. 43 square, 1849. 34 square, 1156. 23 square, 529. 11 square, 121. 3 square, 9. 6 square, 36. 11 square, 121. 30 square, 900. Then 51 square, 2601. Then the last one, 55 square, 3025. Okay, so we need the summation of x square as per the formula. Okay, so summation, so now you have to total all those things. 3025 plus 2601 plus 900 plus 121 plus 36 plus 9 plus 121 plus 529 plus 1156 plus 1849 plus 2025. So 12,372. Sigma x square is 12,372. So now x bar we got it. Then we can find out standard deviation. So standard deviation equal, what is the formula? Root of sigma x square divided by n. Still I am not finding what is the coefficient of variation, because once if you find x bar and the standard deviation, then we can go for coefficient of variation. So root of, what is the sigma x square? 12,372 divided by n, number of observation is 11. Okay, so what is that? Root of, sorry, first 12,372 divided by 11, how much? 1124.73. If you take this root, what is the value? 33.54. This is called standard deviation. Standard deviation 33.54, x bar 50. Now we can find out, we should find out what is the coefficient of variation. So batsman A, coefficient of variation equal sigma divided by x bar multiply 100. Okay, now what is the standard deviation in this problem? 33.54. 33.54 divided by x bar 50 multiply 100. Now what is the percentage? Coefficient of variation 33.54 divided by 50 multiply 100. So what is the percentage? 67.08%. This is called coefficient of variation for batsman A. Okay, so similarly the same procedures we have to do it for batsman B. Again you have to create the table. So for your understanding, I am going to create separately batsman B. So batsman B we are going to assume as Y. Okay, so now we have to enter the score level 0, 4, 16, 21, 41, 43, 57, 57, 78, 83, 90, then 95. So the total should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, this is y. Okay, that is x, batsman A. Batsman B we assumed as y. Okay, then what is the next one? Next we have to find out small y. Small y equal, there x we have done, this is y equal capital Y minus y bar. Y bar means it is the average of y. Okay, so now to do this value, first we have to find out what is the y bar. Y bar means it is the average of y. What is the formula?